Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We have been discussing various metaverses, but today I'm going to review one platform that unites many of NFT projects. Yes, I'm talking about Ultra, which offers gaming services, streams, contests, and so much more. But before we start, let's destroy the YouTube algorithm so that as many people as possible can see this video. Smash the like, smash the subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Those familiar with game distribution platform like Steam will quickly understand what Ultra is all about. Ultra describes itself as a blockchain-based PC gaming entertainment platform, hosting a variety of industry services that benefit both gamers and game developers. The ecosystem is essentially an open marketplace where users can resell their games and items while also earning money via participation in the Ultra network. Meanwhile, game developers can benefit from new revenue models, software development kits, and blockchain tools that underpin game features such as item distribution. I'd like to start my description with a little bit of background on who created UOS. Ultra is run by a management team of industry veterans with over 70 full-time employees working on making the vision a reality. David Hansen and Nicholas Gillow are the founders of Ultra with nearly 20 years of experience working in executive positions, including Xiaoba, a $100 million console project in a partnership with AMD and a video game studio that was acquired by Kingsoft. Now let's find out, how does the Ultra platform work? The Ultra protocol is based on EOS.IO, the next generation technology developed by Daniel Lorimer, the software engineer behind Steam and BitShares blockchains. The protocol is designed around the concept of the metaverse, appealing to both gamer and game developer. For gamers, downloading the application and setting up an account is as easy as any other traditional platform. As such, recovery phrases and even the concept of installing and setting up a blockchain wallet is hidden from the user. The secret keys are protected by Ultra's proprietary decentralization non-custodial key recovery technology. The platform acts as a kind of user-friendly operating system packed with marketplace opportunities and features. Users are then able to choose to interface using branding apps or decentralized apps while having all their needs catered for under one roof using a single login. Anything that's built in the metaverse, whether it's DeFi application platforms, streaming services, NFT marketplaces, or any other blockchain application, is natively supported in Ultra. The platform hosts multiple applications, including Ultra Games, the Ultra Wallet, Theta, and the NFT marketplace, all of which are built to focus on games. The protocol is part of an all-in-one PC game distribution platform with a hybrid approach towards providing certain centralized and decentralized services. The whole platform is built around the UOS token. What is the UOS token? UOS is the native token that powers the Ultra network. It is a utility token tied to the platform, powered by block producers and a resource model called Ultra Power. The network boasts instant free transactions and can process up to 12,000 transactions per second. The token is integrated with the Ultra Wallet as well as an NFT marketplace and the game store, which is necessary in order for the ecosystem to thrive. Theta allows users to stream and earn both their native and UOS token rewards for their release. Every game published on Ultra Games is represented as an NFT, which serves as a gaming license. It has a circulating supply of 270 million UOS coins and a total supply of 1 billion. The token is ranked among the top 200 coins on CoinGecko. In June 2021, the Ultra mainnet went live and is currently operating as intended. Ultra's game store is currently in the second stage of its closed beta. The wallet-only client is available for download and gives users access to their Ultra wallet and Theta. Future updates include the release of the NFT marketplace, Ultra Games, as well as the ability to stake UOS tokens to gain more resources from the Ultra Power network. Now you might wonder, what is special about Ultra? Here are the magic major takeaways. Ultra is a platform where users can own their gaming digital goods, including but not limited to virtual items, downloadable content, skins, user-generated content, and games. As the owner of an account, they have control over their assets. Users truly own their assets. Their secret keys are generated on their own devices. Ultra never gets to know their users' secret keys. As a result, their assets are freely tradable either on the Ultra platform or outside it. Next, users can purchase anything on the platform with either fiat or UOS with no transaction fees. The ecosystem is built on sharing and networking. It offers 2 referral programs for different types of users, such as companies, influencers, or gamers that will contribute to Ultra's user-base growth. Finally, the ecosystem enables third-party business to publish applications and services in order to grow their audience. The platform is built for gaming entertainment, providing direct opportunities for all parties to exchange value in an evolving gaming meta. For all intents and purposes, Ultra is a company that is built to bridge the gap between blockchains, gaming, and mass market. To do this, Ultra built cutting-edge blockchain technology without cheating or cutting corners, holding their users' assets or secret keys. At the same time, users are still able to interact between the apps, legacy items, NFTs, and ultimately the entire blockchain ecosystem. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I personally recommend you to keep tabs on Ultra and even try to use its marketplace. This platform may get very popular in 2022, which could probably raise the value of the UOS Token. Don't forget that we are preparing more useful videos to guide you through the metaverse industry. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button and the bell icon to turn all notifications. See you!